And we are also following panic on Wall Street today, with markets around the world dipping sharply overnight. Fears over a U.S. economic slowdown are sending shockwaves through the global markets. The Dow Jones dropping more than 1,000 points, marking its worst day in 2 years. 13 WHAM Stephanie Joseph spoke with a local investment expert about what this could mean for investors. Steph?
Yeah, Karen, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq all saw drops today. That's all coming after an unexpected jobs report last week that hinted at a slowing economy. Stocks taking a sharp drop Monday morning, leading to concern over the U.S. economy. The Dow Jones Industrial Average declining more than 1,000 points, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq also seeing a dip. It comes after a slight increase in the U.S. unemployment rate and fewer jobs added than expected. To investors, that means less spending.
You may not buy the new computer, the new electronics, the new something that we are sold from Japan, China, Korea, what have you.
George Conboy with Brighton Securities says international businesses that rely on U.S. spending are in panic and causing ripple effects.
A slowing U.S. economy most likely means slowing economic growth in the Far East. So nervous investors have sold off Japanese and other Far East stocks. If hiring is down, if unemployment is up, there are fewer people with a job to make those economic buys.
Questions loom about the likelihood of a recession and the impact today's shakeup could have on retirement.
I think a mild recession is a distinct possibility. It's a little early to call it a probability. So for people who are within 5 years to retirement, they're paying close attention and really ought to look at some of their options and how much risk they want to take.
Some people calling on the Federal Reserve to lower interest rates in an effort to turn things around.
I don't see tomorrow as a sharp turnaround. When you have a movement like this that is economically based, it will usually take some time.
Now, as for long-term investors, Conboy says to stay the course and get used to uncomfortable shakeups. Karen?